How to log into your Emirates Staff account. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari. Let's head over to Safari for now. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for Emirates Staff. Head over to the very first site, emiratesstaff.com. It will redirect you to this page. Over here you can see it says, please select your status. So select your status and then click on enter. And then you'll land on the login page. The very first thing you want to enter is employee number without S. And then enter the EPIN. You have to use the keyboard on the right. And then enter the code shown below. If you can't read this code, you can click on try another. Once you have entered all of the details, click on login. Also, if you have forgotten your EPIN, you will be able to recover it, and then you'll be good to go. So in here, once you click on login, you will be successfully logged into your Emirates Staff account. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to log into your Emirates Staff account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.